In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a photo mug using my Cricut mug press and 11-ounce sublimation mug. So let's get started. Items you'll need: a pair of scissors. I used the Cricut tape, white butcher paper, your sublimation transfers. For this demo, I'm going to use the one of my dog, an 11-ounce sublimation mug, or you can use a 15-ounce. For these Cricut machines, it's 11-ounce or 15-ounce that's the best. This is 11, and I'll show you a link to the actual mug that I'm using for this demo. And that's pretty much it. Of course, you're going to need the Cricut mug press. So let's begin. Okay, it just went off. It's ready. We're going to lift this. Be very careful. You're going to see some smoke. You don't want to touch. You can touch the handle, but make sure that you don't touch any part of the mug. You will burn yourself. The handle's fine to touch, but anything else, you want to make sure that you put it on a surface, a heat-resistant surface, so that you won't get burned. I personally take the paper off once I get it out of the mug press, so let's do the unveiling.